wish for you to know that you are incredibly loved and valued, and that you have a group of Hmong sisters here who are willing to support you in whatever capacity that you need.
My message is you've survived because you're strong, because you're important.
I want you to know that it is not your fault that this violence has happened to you. You are not alone. You are a brave and bold individual, and that we love you.
My message to survivors is that you're not what happened to you, and that there's life beyond what has happened. And although it doesn't seem like it, there's people there for you. There's services out there, and you don't have to feel like you're alone. And I think one of the important things to say is that don't be afraid to let people be there for you. Don't be afraid to let others love you and show you what you deserve, because you deserve so much more. And I know it doesn't feel like it, but you do.
You are braver than you think. Everything that have happened to you is not your fault. Your life worth more than you know, and just stay strong.
Survivors are resilient. Whether they know it or not, they are.
Courageous,
Brave, be strong.
You give me hope.